How to use swing trading strategies using Forex line indicators. Profitable trades usually occur when all available Forex line indicators give the same signals. There is three most important Forex line indicators for swing strategies. Indicators number 1. Up and down trend line. This indicator showing red and white dot line to identify the bull and bear trend. Indicators number 2. Forex line arrow and mini line arrow. This indicator showing yellow and blue arrow to identify the direction of markets. Indicators number 3. Candlestick colors. This indicator showing blue and red candle to identify bull and bear trend. Next is time frame for swing strategies. Time frame 1 hour is recommended for swing trading strategies. By using time frame 1 hour, we can see the chart trend for weekly period. Custom indicators such as Forex line arrows, support and resistant line, bull and bear lines and candlestick color. All this indicators is important for the swing strategies. Three important bull and bear signals for swing trading strategies. Before you place the entry, sell or buy, make sure you know the bull and bear already give some signals for swing entry. Bull and bear number 1 is the white line and the red line with the dot. White dot line is bull and red dot line is bear. The bear trend completed when the red dot line stopped move and changed to white dot line. The bull trend completed when the white dot line stopped move and changed to red dot line. When the candlestick crossed the last trend line, you can set the crossing line as entry point. And the stop loss point set at the new trend when bull line and bear line swap position. Bull and bear number 2 is candlestick color. Red candle is bear and blue candle is bull. By using the candlestick color, we can identify the bull trap and the bear trap. Here is the way how to identify the bull trap and the bear trap. We can identify the bull's trap when the candle's showing up after the star coming at resistant line, but the candle colors is red. And the bear's trap when the candle's showing down after the star coming at support line, but the candle colors is blue. Next, buy and sell signals number 3. It is indicators Forex line arrow and mini line arrow. This indicator is showing buy and sell arrow with trend line colors. This arrow is non-repainting after the candles closed. To ensure this arrow signals are true, make sure to combine it with mini line arrow. The combination of this arrow provides 70 to 90% accurately. You may check on our previous video regarding true and false arrow signals. Don't entry if the arrow coming, but the last 5 candles is weak patterns. Make sure the last 5 candles has a strong bullish or bearish pattern prior to entry after the arrow coming out. Next is entry condition for swing strategies. Make sure all the condition is meet prior to place entry for swing trade. Number 1. The candlestick and the must near the support line for buy and near the resistant line for sell. Number 2. The last 5 candle before the arrow signals must be bullish for buy and bearish for sell. Number 3. Once the signals meet the condition number 1 and number 2. Entry seller buy if the candlestick crossing the up and down trend line. And set the stop loss at the resistance or the support line. This strategies is applicable for swing trade on time frame 1 hour. Properly decide your entry and make sure you follow all the condition to make a big profit. Thank you and don't forget to follow our channel for further analysis using Forex line indicator.